Hi there. Happy Friday. Long time no see. Been away from our Friday updates for a little while. Been out of the office for a little bit, and then we had our Thanksgiving break and so forth. So glad to be back here today on December 3rd to give you a Friday update. So thank you. Welcome back. We're really enjoying our early December weather. We've been able to take students out during lunch outside where they can just go out and get some fresh air. We take a football out there, football too, and let them kind of throw that around and just have conversations outside and get outside. So we're really happy we've been able to continue doing that. Today might be the last day that we are able to, but we'll see as we get in our colder months if kids still want to go outside just to get a little fresh air at the end of lunch. So excited about that. I've been in a math and science classrooms this year, so I just want to give you an update of some things that are happening in maybe your child's math or science classroom, so you can talk to them this week and like, hey, what's happening in this and that. First of all, 7th grade, in science classes, they're talking about motion and movement. Questions like, how does the bicycle go uphill? How are the skateboards able to roll down the street? And in one class, getting partners. So like we'd have some activity where you get with your north partner or your south partner, and you'll have those different things happening. So some cool things happening in science in 7th grade. Math in 7th grade, I saw some scale factors, which is always cool to see. We got a 1 to 22 scale factor, find this length. Multiplying and dividing fractions. So that's always been one of those challenging things coming from an ex-math teacher that kids have trouble with. So talk to your kids about those if you've got a 7th grader. 8th grade, same deal. I went to math and science classrooms as well. Science, they're talking about Punnett squares, so a little math behind there as well, but we got the 2x2 Punnett squares and talking about traits and so forth. So talk to your kids about science in 8th grade. Math, a little bit wider of a range in one classroom talking about rhombus. So I'm assuming that we're talking about different shapes and all their qualities and different things that happen with quadrilaterals, I know in geometry class. And then other math class, find my notes here, talking about scientific notation. So making sure we've got those exponents down correctly. So that's my rundown from a few math and science visits this week. Love getting into classrooms, love seeing teachers teach. It's been really fun doing that. So talk to your kids about those things in math and science. An update coming up on December 17th. Our 7th graders will be attending the STEAM Institute. That is at the Workplace Learning Connection, so we're going to bus them there. They'll have an opportunity to listen to 3 different speakers in some kind of STEAM field, and then be back here for lunch. So a pretty cool thing that the kids get to go off campus, do some learning, and then come back and discuss that. So that's happened the 17th of December, 2 weeks from today. And lastly, we've got athletics going. We've got girls basketball, quite a lot of girls playing basketball so far. Great to see those large numbers. And then boys swimming happening right now as well. So that's all I have today. Glad to be back. Thank you so much for paying attention to this or watching this video. Have a great weekend this weekend. Take care.